this and that toys.
It would probably hurt, but they would be. This whole pile would be bigger than me. Squishmallows are bigger, so I have a bigger pile of squishmallows than I do fidgets. Oh, sticky. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is I'm showing you my top 5 fidgets. Out of all of these fidgets, I have I'm pretty sure I have like over 300 fidgets. And that's a lot. There's so many different kinds of fidgets. Like there's Mochis, which are these like silicone squishy things, and I have so many of them. There's these which are really like they're pretty rare. Like they're newer fidgets. I got it for Christmas too.
All right, let's see your top 5, girl.
My top 5 favorites. I'm pretty sure my favorite is probably. I don't know. What's my favorite kind of?
Too many choices.
Baby Yoda Poppet. I love Baby Yoda. Oh, by the way, I've got Baby Yoda socks. Look how cute the babies are. The child. Do they look similar?
Oh yeah, twins in all the way, baby. Twins in all the way.
Except this one's rainbow and these are normal.
So Baby Yoda's in the top 5.
Baby Yoda's the top. My first favorite. My favorite fidget. Favorite fidget. And I think my second favorite is probably. Okay, so my second favorite, I think it's probably this Neato. I mean, well, I like both of these Neatos. The crystal Neato and this bubble Neato. They call these Orbeez like bubbles, and they have like foam beads in them. And I don't know which one's my favorite. Well, I like them both, so yeah. I want to show you guys it, but I can't get it open. There. I have already opened it, but I just like to keep it in here. Pretty, right? This was it's like a smaller version of this. Except this is like so heavy. I can barely hold it. This Orbeez. I have so many Orbeez stress balls. So many stress balls, so many fidgets, so many poppets, so many things! I play with them all of the time because I love them. Once in a while I play with sometimes I bring like one downstairs or a few downstairs and I just play with them. And I think my third favorite's probably DNA balls. A DNA ball. I love DNA balls. They're sticky. I actually got these from the advent calendar that my elves made me. They made it for me. Fourth favorite is probably this skull poppet. This skull poppet. pop it. Kind of hard to pop on a bed. Earlier, my sister came in here and popped some of this Pop It, and that's why some of the bubbles are already popped. Listen to that sound, isn't it satisfying? Satisfaction, right? You feel that satisfaction? If you find Pop It satisfying like me, give me a big thumbs up. Big one, a big one, big one. My last favorite, my fifth favorite would probably be one of these Mochis. Let me pick one out. Let me find one that I think is really cute. I think I like this brown elephant because it's from my elves, my elf advent calendar, and I really love my elves. Two of these things were from my elves, and I love my elves so much. I did that because I love my elves. Oh yeah, and here's my big bag of squishies. Wait, let me find dig really deep and find a squishy. A squishy. Squishy. Squishy! This one's like really soft. Oh, this one's really squishy. Look at it. Ooh. Ow. So, thanks for checking out all my fidgets and squishies with me. And if you didn't see my last video, I showed you all my squishmallows. So, if you didn't watch that, go watch that right now. Right now! Do it. You know you wanna. So, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. And peace! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.